think everybody knows that if their hair feels right, they feel they can face up to anything. Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to be a hairdresser, and I didn't think I'd end up in Parliament House, but there I did, and I stayed for a long time. I worked in a little room, L176, on the Senate side, which is just really around the corner from here. In the hairdressing chair, I see the really nice side of people, you know. I see the other side rather than the political side. There were lots and lots of people who made this place tick, other than the politics. I'm not a political person at all. I'd watch the election with great interest to see how many haircuts I lost. I've got a couple of bits of hair of some of my favourite people. It could be worth a lot of money one day. I tried not to cut too many ears or do anything really too wrong. You feel confident? I haven't had a go at your ear yet.
What can I say? You got a pair of scissors in your hair.
Yeah, you wait till I get the razor. It was a very rewarding job because, you know, at the end of the haircut, I mean, I think I pleased most of them because they'd say thank you and pay me. I'm just fortunate, really. I think so, to have met all these wonderful people. Yep. Years ago, I was on the Graham Kennedy show in Melbourne Tonight.
Really?
Yeah, I was one of the barrel girls.
Oh,
Can you believe that?